Beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today to share a Dior Beauty unboxing. I went a little bit crazy. I don't know why. Well, they sent me an email from Dior that said they had come out with new makeup products. So right away, I headed to the Dior site to see what they were. I've got them right here. Unfortunately, I haven't tried any of this yet, that I've ordered today, but I figured we can unbox it and enjoy the initial experience together. So let's just dive right in because I am so excited to open everything and to see exactly what everything is. I have to admit though, I did already open the perfume, two of the perfumes. Well, one is a sample. But I have been trying to get this perfume for so long. I have it right here. Let me show you, beauties. I have been trying for at least 2 years to try this in store, to purchase it, anything. They never have it anywhere that I've been. Now, I hadn't been to an actual Dior boutique. I'm sure if I had did that, I would have been able to find this. But I would go into Saks, Say, or Neiman Marcus, and they never had it. So I finally decided to order it, without ever smelling it, which is probably crazy, but I just wanted this so bad. I've been wanting this for the longest time. I actually probably originally saw it maybe on, Instagram or something like that, and the bottle just looks so beautiful. So let me go ahead and show you. Although the packaging, the outer packaging, that the box that it comes in is beautiful, but here it is. I can't wait to show you because it is pink. So I think that's what, when I saw the beautiful pink fragrance and the perfume inside, and I just thought this was so beautiful, although in real life it's very faint. And now I was a little bit shocked when I first smelled this because it is very strong. You only need one spray, but one spray will last you, and it's actually, the more you smell it, it is intoxicating. When I first smelled it, I was like, oh no, that was probably not a good, I thought it was not a good purchase. I said, wow, that was not for me maybe. But I just put one spray and I put it behind my ankle. I would not personally put it on my wrist because it is very strong. And personally, I like, I just need one spray and I put it behind my knee, my one knee, and it kind of just envelops into your natural, your natural body scent, and it just starts to, come together, and it smells incredible. I just want to keep smelling and smelling it in, taking it in, because there is something truly intoxicating about this scent. So this does have rose in it, and it's described as velvety and sensual. And it does have the oud, so I think this is incredible. I believe they describe this also as woodsy. It's gorgeous. The more that I wore, I'm being completely honest. When I first put it on, I was like, oh no. But the more you wear it, it just, oh my gosh, it smells so good that literally I do think this is I've never smelled anything like this, and it smells incredible. I mean, actually, I have to be honest, does it smell incredible? I don't know. It's so unique. And it just comes together, and it just makes this intoxicating fragrance that you just want to keep breathing in. So I'm so happy now that I got this, because it's very almost even calming to me. I just feel good every time I breathe it in, and every time I take a breath, I do smell it. It's been hours and it's lasting. So if you want a fragrance that lasts, wow, this lasts. And maybe they have lighter versions, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go into a Dior boutique and try to. They actually had a Dior event actually that they invited me to, and they were going to speak about all the fragrances, but I wasn't able to go. I wish now that I smelled that, I really wish I wish even more that I was able to go. But anyway, they also sent me this beautiful little pouch here with samples, and this is actually such a beautiful pouch. It's very substantial. The material is very thick. But oh, this is a different fragrance. I didn't smell this because there's another fragrance sample that they sent me that I have to show you, beauties. But oh, this is the Capsule Total Super Potent Serum. So I can't wait to try this. And then here is the Dior Perfume, which, you know what I was thinking too? I have smelled this before. I love this. But I was thinking the oud would smell so good mixed in with something a little lighter. So maybe actually I would love to, put that on one spray, and then, these types of fragrances you can spray more and they don't, they're not that strong. But, oh, let's see here. Yes, this smells so good. I don't remember this smelling that good. So anyway, let's get into the makeup now. Although I do have it somewhere. Hopefully it's in here. But okay, let's just keep going. So, oh, here I got, let's see, I got the 5 colors Dior Riviera. This is an eyeshadow palette. I know I should remember, but it was, you know, I was so busy and I really just got so excited when I saw all the new Dior makeup. So here it is. I didn't remember that I picked this up. Oh, how beautiful. Are you guys like collectors? I know so many people collect Dior makeup and it's so hard to use it because it's so beautiful. I actually don't even want to use it. It's so stunning. So I'm going to take a little picture and kind of insert it so you can see better. But beautiful. The packaging is so stunning. So I can't wait to wear that. I'll be back, and I think that it would be really fun if we could test out the makeup together. So that's what we'll do next. So I'll be back with that. But today, we'll just unbox. So here I got the Dior Addict refill. So here is the Dior refill. I got this one is 100. I love this so much. This is my first time buying a refill, but I did get a new case that they came out with. I guess they came out with so many new things. This is, again, 100, shade 100 nude look, and this is the Dior Addict Shine Lipstick. But this is a color that I actually have wanted for so long, but I could not get it. So finally I said, let's just order online because it's just impossible to get anything Dior in store where I live. And I live in New York, so I will even go to Connecticut. You can't get it. It's impossible. It's all sold out. So here I got the Dior lipstick case. So this is a new case, I believe, that they came out with. It looks so beautiful online. Oh, it is. So I had to get it. So now you can put the refill into the case. So you just go ahead and take your refill and put it in. Let's see. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's actually gorgeous. I love Dior packaging. I mean, but I love the products as well. So it's not that, you know, I just love the packaging. I feel like this has a hint of gold to it. So it looks like it's palladium or silver shade, but it actually, I do believe it does have a little bit of gold to it. So pretty. I'm gonna put that right there. That's gorgeous. Keep everything organized here. And then let's see here. Oh, this is the Forever Skin Correct. So this is a new product that they have just come out with. This is what actually started my kind of little Dior haul here. This is what started it all. This is a new product that they come out with. They're calling it Skin Correct. Forever Skin Correct. 24-hour wear and hydration creamy concealer. So it is in a glass bottle. And the packaging, again, is absolutely stunning. Oh, it has a huge applicator. And I can't wait to try this. Now, I do have another Dior concealer, but it's not the right shade for me. I don't know how that, it's very dark. I don't know how that happened. And yeah, so I'm so excited to try this. They're calling this Skin Correct. So, but I do believe it's a concealer. Now, I'll be back and we can try that out together. Have you tried that yet? Let me know down below. Maybe hopefully tomorrow we'll try that out together because I'm very, very excited to try it, especially since my other Dior concealer is too dark for me, so I can never really get a true appreciation for it. But here's like a little, what is this, the receipt? Beautiful. And let's see what it says here. Oh yeah, it's just the receipt in here. And then here is, oh, I see the other perfume now. I can show you the other perfume that I got. Oh, I got this. This I believe is also a new product. This is called Dior Forever Glow Veil. And I believe this is a primer. Yes, it's a 24-hour hydrating radiant primer. So I can't wait to try this. Let's go ahead and, oh, how beautiful. Also comes in the glass packaging, the glass housing. Beautiful. Wow, I can't wait to use this, to try that. We'll try that out too. We'll try that, the primer, the concealer, and the eyeshadow palette. Here I got the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. So beautiful. I actually have quite a few of these. I love these. You know, they're just so good. They don't burn your lips. You know, so many lip plumpers, you know, burn and hurt and irritate your lips, but these ones from Dior do not do that. So they just give you that wonderful plumpness, that wonderful fullness to your lips, but they do not burn or things of that nature. So love this. I have another one of those, but I wanted that shade in particular. This one has kind of gold shimmer to it. Let me see here the exact color this is, but this is metallic gold, so it does have kind of a gold shift to it, gold shimmer, which I love because it reflects off the lighting and just out and about, and it will make your lips look even more plumper and fuller. So love this. So then I'm so excited to try this. Actually, we'll try this out too as well. We'll put the primer and then this on top. This is the Dream Skin. It has SPF 50. Let's see here. They call it skincare, but it's like a tinted kind of hydration product. And you can put it on anywhere throughout the day, they say, and it's just going to reduce pores, reduce redness, and make your skin look incredible. So it's a very unique product. I can't wait. I've never tried it though, so I can't wait to try it. But here it is, and then beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. And here inside is the actual product in itself. So beautiful. And then you just kind of, let's see, I don't think they said you could put it on anywhere, but it does come with a refill, so that's really amazing. I didn't realize that. So this is called Youth Skincare Perfect Complexion Creator with sunscreen SPF 50, which is actually why I purchased this. Plus I have tried the Dream Skin serum and I love that so much. That really makes a huge difference. It makes your skin look incredible. I actually am going to pick that up next because when I had that, I loved it so much. But you know, I used it up, so I need to get another one. But that's pretty much it. I do have one more sample that they sent me here. This is a perfume. This is the Dior Vanilla Diorama perfume. Now, this is absolutely adorable. It comes almost in a mini version of the Oud Ispahan. And oh, the little tiny bottle. I don't even want to use this because look at how beautiful this is. I just can't even stand it. But this is also, I tried this already. This is also very strong. You just need one touch to your skin. This I'll wear on my wrist, but just touch it. Just one touch and that's it. Because it's so powerful. It lasts. You don't need more than one in my opinion. I can't imagine any more than that. But I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to use this because it's just so adorable. I can't take it. So that's everything for my Dior Beauty unboxing today. Let me know if you've tried any of these yet. Are any of these your favorites? Let me know down below, and I cannot wait to come back again. Hopefully tomorrow I will come back and we'll try the primer, the skin perfector, the concealer, the eyeshadow palette. That'll be very fun. I would love to do that, and we'll do maybe first impressions and things like that. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today, and I will see you very soon. Bye.